And then him and Stomach talking to each other. Okay, come on.
Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, my name is David Stomach. It's fun being on camera, right, David?
Yes.
Ooh, does that mean I'm a celebrity right now?
Not really.
How come? Why not?
It takes more to be a celebrity than just appearing on camera.
Oh shit! Why not? I want to be a celebrity. Hello, you're not doing enough. What kind of person are you? Aren't you supposed to market me? I know you do. Oh my god! Stop laughing, David. You're taking the limelight from me. I don't know why. Every time I talk, everybody laughs. I can get two people laughing right now.
Because you are you're talking falsetto.
What do you mean falsetto?
That means in a high pitch.
I don't talk in high pitch. That's how I totally talk. Shut up, David. Stop laughing. You're taking away my start right now. I can't breathe because you're laughing. So shut up. Okay. Hi world. Hi. I can really sing too, you know. It's quite fun being a star, don't you think? Anybody want to sign contracts with me? I can be a Hollywood star.
Okay. Cut. Thank you very much.